Alright, what's going on? Welcome to my channel. So I just decided to make an unboxing video. I haven't made one in a while. So today I went to Microcenter. It's a well-known electronics store, kind of like Best Buy, but just way better. I went to Best Buy before I traveled, and they are out of the game. They're not selling things that are even current, you know. But anyway, I don't want to bash on Best Buy, but just Microcenter is a lot better. They know what they're doing. So I went there for Christmas shopping and just things that I need for my upcoming trip. So I got portable charger. I got this portable charger, Aukey. Let's see if you can focus on that. Oh yeah, it was $17, $17.99. 15,000 milliamp hours. I didn't want to spend that much money. I also got excuse me. I also got Airtags. 2 boxes of Airtags. I think this is a great Christmas gift. I usually give my family like an Apple accessory, something that'll make their lives easier or just for fun. Like for example, I gave my dad some AirPods. Last year I gave like everyone in my family 6 feet, 2 meters of, you know, lightning to USB iPhone charger, and they really love that. And I also got this loop for myself because I was thinking, you know, might as well, if I have freaking 8 AirTags, might as well have one, right? You know, might as well use one. Anyway, let's get to the unboxing and we will see how this goes. Alright, so the Aukey first. Let's use my knife here. There we go. Best way to open this. My camera setup will get better. I'm just currently still in the beginning stages of that. But you know, let me know what you guys, what type of viewing angles you want, what equipment you recommend. Open to all suggestions. I love hearing out from others because you guys probably know a lot more than me. Anyway, I'm taking this off. Plastic ASMR. Okay, so there's some flaps right here. Let's open it like this. Alright. And there it is. It's small. Very hefty. Like, it's not hefty, but there's some weight to it. There's some weight to the box when you're holding it. Wow. The Aukey. Damn, this thing is Aukey. Alright, so it has... Oh, I just powered it on. It has USB, USB-C, and a micro USB to charge it. So you could charge it through, don't know why it's not focusing, it's probably from the plastic. So you could charge it through the USB-C or the micro USB. That's what it looks like. And it's on. Well, I want to turn it off. Yeah, I'm going to charge it and see how that goes, but I like the design. Very nice design. Definitely a fingerprint magnet, sort of. Depends how greasy your hands are. But it seems like a solid, gotta smell it. Seems like a solid portable charger. I think portable chargers are essential when you're traveling. Traveling is, you know, you're not around an outlet at all times. So that's just how it is. All right, let's move on to the Airtags. So I got the 4-pack. Just like, you know, a heads up or something that I wasn't aware of. These are $100 if you buy them at you know, Apple or Apple.com. But if you go to Microcenter, they're selling it for $89. A little bit cheaper. Something that you don't see with Apple. You don't see discounts. You don't see promo codes. You don't see any type of discount. That doesn't exist in the Apple universe. So having, you know, $10 off for a 4-pack, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer, and it makes sense to get the 4-pack rather than individual, because an individual one is $30 and a 4-pack is $100. So might as well just get the 4-pack. But in Microcenter, it's $89, so you're getting a better deal. Anyway, let's unbox this. Okay, so there's a strip there on the bottom. Should be, how do you focus this thing, man? There we go, see that? The strip right here. Boom. These are my first, I've never had Airtags, but I've seen a lot of videos of them and a lot of people like them, you know. It's coming out. Airtag. Holy shit, look at this. So individually, 2 in there, 2 in here. So the metal part is very, very scratchable. They sell protective covers. I got them on Amazon. Let's see if I could. I got these. I got protective film for Airtags because I don't want them to scratch. You know, the metal parts of Apple products, like the very, very shiny parts, they just love scratches and they love to scratch, and I'm not about that. I like my products to be very, very clean and, you know, aesthetically pleasing. That's just me though. I have OCD most likely, so. Anyway, check this out. See that? That's it. Airtag. Okay. Pretty cool. It's tiny. Doesn't weigh that much. I'm not going to completely unwrap it and turn it on. So basically, how you turn it on, or how it activates, and then you have to replace the battery every year. That's what Apple says on their website. You just peel this plastic off, and then there's like a moment where you gotta just tug it off, and then boom, it activates. It is turned on, it's triggered in a good way. And that's how these things get powered on. So I'm gonna do that when I get the protective film, so I don't want to scratch them. Everyone in my family has an iPhone, so I think these are great Christmas gifts. Yep. All right. So the last item in my, you could say, Microcenter shopping spree that I had is the Huex tag from Laut. I'll show you. So there you go. Huex Tag. Huex Tag. It was $12.99. Pretty good. Cheap-ish. Okay. It says open there on the bottom. Okay. So it's silicone. Material is silicone. And it seems sturdy enough, very simple. It's incredible. Apple, they are geniuses. They think of everything. Let's make a small tracker and make sure that you can't attach it to anything. You know, you need to have an accessory for it to be actually usable. They really know marketing and upselling. The leather ones are really nice. I'm thinking about getting one of those. So we'll see. Alright, well, that was the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed that. Check out their Aukey's portable charger. I'll let you know I'll let you know how it performs. Also Airtags. Great solution to avoid losing things, because it's inevitable, but if we have Airtags, our lives can be better, because Apple just makes life so much better. And yeah, I appreciate you watching this video. If you want to like it, you could like it, and if you want to subscribe, you could subscribe. I'm going to start creating more content. I'm actually going to be in Medellin in a couple weeks, so let me know if you want me to post videos about my South American trip to Colombia, South America. And I have to talk about this bad boy eventually, this wonderful camera. It has been cool, but you know, there's pros and cons to everything. But I'm gonna touch base with this product once again, because I owe you guys that video, follow-up. Alright, my review. Well, thank you very much, YouTube, and I hope you have happy holidays. Alright, bye.